Hey, what's up everyone? It's Duncan from 4xtouring.com. I bought something else. Well, I haven't really exactly bought it. It was given to me, but it kind of came my way as I was doing some research. Now, Ajanie and I, we're not exactly the kind of people who love to walk or go on hikes. And those who've been following my channel for a while would know that we're not really into walking. But we have discovered that whenever we travel, there's always opportunities to go and explore more if you are prepared to do a bit of walking. And Ajani feels that we need to do it because it's good for our health, and I have to agree. So lately she's put us on this, both of us on this really good diet. I feel much better. I've lost a lot of weight. And now she says whenever we travel, we should park off and walk a bit as well. So, great idea. But I was also researching online a certain product that would help us in this whole hiking and trekking process. Bit of a backpack to carry stuff, essentials that we needed and so on. And then I came across this really cool product, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And luck would have it, I was also at the same time approached by this one particular brand, and I've got it given to me. So I haven't paid for it, so full disclosure. But I have tried the product out and I really like it, and I thought I'll share that with you. And if that's something that interests you, then you could probably take a look at that and consider it. And I'll leave a link in the description below. Here's what it is. And I have to admit, as much as I said, I'm not really much into walking. I would love to now and then stop, take a breather, but also, you know, we being photographers, we love to stop, take photos, take the scenery, and then do our video filming as well. And I needed something where I don't necessarily want to keep standing all the time. And that's how this whole process started, because I was looking for something that was easy to carry, lightweight, and then I could also sit at the same time. And that's when I came across this product. Now I can easily put it on my backpack. I've checked that out, and it does easily strap into my backpack. And this easily opens out as a chair, which I'm going to demonstrate in a moment. And then after that, I'm going to get Ajani to get in front of the camera and try it out herself and give me her opinions as well. So this is quite easy. All you do is open that cover up like that, and that's it. Simple. It took me literally a few seconds. Basically how this works is this locks into place when you are transporting it around. And this, you could, I suppose, use this as a little bit of a walking aid if you needed that. It can be useful depending on if you're going over uneven surfaces. It can be used to steady yourself. We have been trying it out before we started filming, so we wanted to make sure that it really works for us before, you know, I shared it with you. And it did work very well for us, and we're quite enjoying it. And the nice thing is, it's very light, as I mentioned. I do not know the exact weight, but it's extremely light. And it slots in quite nicely in this compartment where I've set up to chucking in stuff, and it just goes in there. We've got two, one for myself and one for Ajani.
Okay, now I'm giving it a shot to see how it feels. There you go. Open it, spread it, and sit.
Now, in terms of opening, I think Ajani did it better than I did, because I kind of manhandled it and I did that. But ideally what you should be doing is unclasp it and then use this handle to open it up and use it to close it up. Thus the name Ta-da, because ta-da, right?
Right, now let's see how easy it is to fold. There you go. Lock it. Easy. For me, it's okay.
So the height works perfectly for you, isn't it?
Everything works perfect for me.
Okay, when you go to purchase the product, there are different height or lengths you can purchase. So depending on your height, you can pick and choose the one that works well for you.
So it can take up to 136 kg.
It's very sturdy. When I first opened it and looked at it, I was not too sure about sturdiness or strength, but it is. It is very strong. It's made out of high-grade aluminium. It's got a very strong, where the weight falls directly, it's got a very wide footprint there for it as a base. And it's also got a very useful handle over there where you can even hang it if that's what you want to do.
And then order you around. Bring that, bring that. Can you bring that?
If there's any improvement I could suggest would be to have telescopic type of legs here, so you can make it shorter, and that makes it easier on carrying it on a backpack. But as I said at the beginning of the video, we do still strap it onto our backpack, and because of its lightness, it's not really that cumbersome. But that would be a nice improvement the manufacturer could do, if it's possible. I'm no engineer, so I don't know. And in terms of sitting now, earlier in the video I sat that way. For me, this feels very sturdy. I feel very comfy. But ideally, when I look at the design, the ideal way to sit is that way, because then your entire weight is onto that wider footprint and the stronger area of the foot, and sit this way. It doesn't give me any discomfort sitting this way with this sticking out. It works fine. What would be nice would be a fold-out table. Now I'm asking for too much, but a fold-out table, and I can have food here and my camera bags. There you are. So if the manufacturer is watching this, that's an improvement for you. Have a little fold-out table or a clip-on table. I could have my camera here, taking some pictures, leaving it there, have a beer or a coffee. If you're just into hiking, if you want to go to the park and you don't necessarily want to go looking for a bench to sit on, or perhaps go to a concerts or conventions, or you want to go and stand in a queue. I can't think of one, but if you're going to stand in the queue and you're going to stay on the queue for a long, long, long time, and you want to sit, this is easy. So I hope you found this video useful. I hope you found this product to be useful. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you've got questions, comments, leave them below. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? My channel is all about sharing my experience, or should I say our experiences in overlanding and all our travels with the rest of the community. So hit that subscription button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video real soon.